This will fold up into quite a small package coming out of this screen, costing hundreds of thousands of pounds at least. Hi! These teachers, they are loving BETT show way too much. Greetings, and you join me here in the capital city, London, baby, here for the BETT show, which is basically the biggest technology show in the UK and probably Europe. I want to show you some of the coolest things going on in 2024. I'm going to try and find the top 3 amazing, incredible gadgets on show here. All right then, let's go. I finally made it into this giant Excel Arena. It's the biggest exhibition center in the UK. Look at this, some robots, some AI, some virtual reality headsets. Obviously, I respect this mind-blowing robotic technology behind me, but out of everything you could have made it do, just lifting up and putting down blocks, I mean, still pretty cool. I'm a big fan of Lenovo, and on their stand, it's not so much a stand, it's more like its own building within an exhibition. I mean, look at the size of it. All that you see in the background here is Lenovo's stand. What have they got that's interesting? You got their Legion PCs and laptops here. As you can see, the gamers are testing it to the full. They have their television studio over here. Not sure what purpose that is serving, but it looks really cool. They're clearly flexing their muscles, showing off that they're one of the biggest tech vendors in the world, but I'm here for it. Here's a speaker who I'm interrupting, doing his thing. And they have a tech lab with some of their latest devices. I'm gonna have a nosy. You won't see these anywhere else. They're pre-production monitors. And you might think, what's the big deal, Harrison? I can see live here in person that there is a 3D image coming out of this screen. I don't know if you can see it, watching it on the video, but it is mind-blowing. No glasses needed, architects, engineers, the possibilities are endless. It's trippy, but it looks amazing. I've got objects flying out at me here. And looking at these bad boys, they look like usual desktops, but these are mini data centers. Well done, Lenovo. You've made it to the top 3 attractions here. Great effort. Now here with ViewSonic, this screen here, 135 inch, and it's fully foldable. What? You can take it wherever you want, fold it nicely, comes with a flight case. I didn't even know this existed. What kind of uses are we gonna have this for?
It is on the wall,
Yeah.
or you want to move it around to a different floor, different building, or even different city. And since it did come with this robotics flight case, so you can transport it by truck, by ship, or by airplane.
If you need to get a screen that is as big as you can imagine from A to B without potentially knocking down a whole wall with the weight pulling it down, this will fold up into quite a small package. This makes it to the top 3. Well done, ViewSonic. You've smashed it today. Love this thing. Can I get a sample? Can I get a sample? As you can see behind me, this is an EdTech conference. The education sector has loads of technology. There's school children here from all over the world testing out some of the technology made just for education. Don't ask me what this is. Looks like some sort of projector, sensor, education games. Whatever it is, looks pretty fun. Definitely didn't have this in my day. Then you've got things like these DIY bikes, which the kids have to assemble themselves, giving them engineer skills and all sorts. Absolutely spoiled they are nowadays. We were just happy if they rolled in the TV to watch some history documentary. As you can see here in the Dell stand, there is a whole setup of the Alienware gaming devices. Very high-powered stuff. A lot of businesses, whether it's the IT manager, engineer, someone who needs a lot of power in their device, will buy a gaming computer like one of these. And if you're wondering why an education technology event has so much about esports, it's because they use it for education, apparently. I think it's just some really clever kids who've convinced all the adults that, yeah, esports and gaming, best way for us to learn. Right, off to play FIFA. I hope you appreciate the size of this thing over here. This screen needs its own postcode. I don't know who is using this for what, but probably costs a few quid. All right, guys behind me, My selfie stick is so impressive that this team of cameramen and sound people with their very expensive equipment, costing hundreds of thousands of pounds at least, they've got harnesses as well. They think I'm part of the team because of the impressive selfie stick I'm holding. 16 quid on Amazon. Could have saved yourself a lot of money, guys. Here we have another one of the giants of the technology world, Microsoft. Their stand is exactly as you'd expect. And around me in their stand, they are showcasing the role of AI, as well as Minecraft, which they own, for example, all used for education. And you can see behind me, Canva have a stand. I don't know what they're trying to sell. I downloaded the app for free. Now at the huge Meta stand. They got all their headsets for their Meta universe. They're very busy in the education space. I'm looking for Mr. Zuckerberg. Where is he? I want to complain. Maybe one of these professors of his can tell me where he is. Where's Mr. Zuckerberg? You're making all my friends live in the metaverse. It's boring, mate. It's a fully international show with different nations coming. We know that the UAE, as a nation, have a few quid. And they are definitely here showing their size with this giant stand behind me. Quite a small stand for the British government. Then you got Spain over here. Korea also mean business. Hi guys, hope you're enjoying it. Bulgaria, Hungary, and of course the United States of America. We had to come here and make the most impressive stand, but I think we've been beaten to it by the Koreans. Abort mission, abort. I'm here at the ubtech stand. Now I've never heard of this technology company before. They make robots for educational purposes. Robots of all shapes and sizes, look like animals, some of them. And then you've got your very standard looking robots like that one in the background. Just to top it off, you've got the master karaoke robot behind me. Obviously very important that every school has one of these. Yeah, look really crucial to people's education. But seriously, everything in here is designed to help educate kids in the way that is really engaging. And that's why these guys made it as the third best attraction from what I've seen. Hi. Well done, well done. And that's why ubtech, with all their incredible robotic solutions that they have here, even though it's something I don't deal with personally, these guys deserve it. They're putting a great effort here with these inventions. Cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Look, the teachers, they're loving BETT too much. Education, and even teachers, much more fun these days. Wow. Like I said, kids nowadays spoiled. All this technology and teachers really letting their hair down. On my way out of the Bett show, and there was simply nowhere near enough time to get round all of those vendors. So many incredible inventions, things I've never seen before, technology that's actually useful and blows your mind. It was just really entertaining. Every single vendor is trying their hardest to think of new ideas to somehow fix a need that hasn't been fixed before. There's simply no other industry as exciting as this one. And the Bett show delivered. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.